In the heart of the digital age, where Pi shines like a guiding star.
To our vibrant and ever-dedicated founder of GCV, Ma'am Doris Yen, our ever-dynamic and energetic Executive Coordinator, Ma'am Lumari, to our honored guest speaker, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow Pi enthusiasts, it is an honor to be one of the speakers at this global conference dedicated to the Pi Network ecosystem. As we gather here, we celebrate not only the remarkable progress of the Pi Network, but also the vibrant community that drives its success. Today, I am excited to share how we can contribute as a GCV merchants and our roles as ambassadors of this revolutionary ecosystem. As we move towards to the mainnet, the Pi Network is poised to offer unprecedented opportunities for businesses, individuals, and communities. Contributing to a GCV goods and services for Pi merchant, our contributions to the Pi Network ecosystem is pivotal. By accepting Pi as a form of payment, we not only expand our customer base, but also drive the adoption and utility of Pi. Here's how we can make a significant impact. First, by integrating Pi payment options into our businesses, we encourage our customers to use Pi for everyday transactions. This promotes the real-world utility of Pi and strengthens its value within the ecosystem. Second, by offering exclusive discount or special offers for Pi transactions can incentivize more users to spend their Pi. As an example, we are now accepting full Pi payment, 50% Pi and 50% cash. And also, we offer free Pi for new merchants who have not Pi user yet. With this, it creates a dynamic and thriving economy within the Pi network, showcasing its potential as a medium of exchange. And third, building trust. As early adopters, we play a crucial role in building trust within community. Ensuring smooth and secure transactions will foster confidence in the Pi network's capabilities, encouraging more merchants to join the ecosystem. Becoming an ambassador of the Pi ecosystem. As ambassadors of the Pi network, we have the privilege and responsibility to spread awareness and foster growth. We have to educate and advocate through conducting workshops, webinars, and local meetups to educate others about the Pi network and its benefits can significantly expand our community. By sharing knowledge, we empower others to join the movement and contribute to its success. We have to create and nurture online and offline communities where Pi network enthusiasts can share ideas, experiences, and support each other is essential. These communities became the backbone of our ecosystem, driving innovation and collaboration. Not only that, we have also to showcase such success stories, highlighting successful use cases and testimonials from GCV merchants and users can inspire confidence and interest. Real-world examples of how Pi is being utilized can attract more participants and enhance the credibility of the network. Just like what we are doing every time we conducted a barter event. It was a big help sharing Pi success. Also, the collaborations and partnerships. Actively seeking collaboration with other businesses and organizations can amplify our impact. By forming strategic partnerships, we can extend the reach of the Pi network and integrate it into various sectors and industries. In conclusion, our role as GCV merchants and ambassadors of the Pi network ecosystem is both exciting and transformative. By embracing Pi in our businesses and advocating for its adoption, we are at the forefront of a movement that promises to redefine the digital economy. Together, we we can build a decentralized, exclusive, and prosperous future for all. Thank you for your commitment and dedication to the Pi Network. Let us continue to work together, innovate, and lead the way towards a brighter, decentralized future. Thank you so much. This is your Ambassador Rodelyn Prudente from Region 6, Iloilo City, Philippines. Mabuhay and God bless everyone.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to each and everyone, especially to our special guest, Ms. Doris Yin, and all the guest speakers tonight's conference. My name is Ron Galicia Aquino, Municipal GCB Ambassador for San Carlos City, Pangasinan, Region 1, Philippines. San Carlos City, Pangasinan is composed of 86 barangays, and according to the 2020 census, it has a population of 205,424 people. It is the most populated city in Pangasinan and the entire Ilocos region. As of now, we have 114 active member pioneers in different barangay in San Carlos City. And I am encouraging them to help us to invite more, especially in their barangay, because they know each other and trust each other. In the 86 barangays of San Carlos City, as of now, there are 45 selected barangay level ambassadors that I choose with the help of Ms. Lumari to help us introduce the Pi Network to businesses that will accept Pi soon, or maybe 50% cash and 50% by payment. So people prefer to join Pi Network so that before open mainnet, all the 86 barangay is ready to accept Pi and also nearby towns. I started in the Pi Network way back August 2020. I used to only see on Facebook, Twitter, and other social platforms the barter happening in other countries, especially in China and Africa. And I said to myself, I wish there would be one here in the Philippines, especially here in Pangasinan. But because of Ma'am Lumari, bartering spread here in the Philippines because of her leadership, and I am very happy to have with her and other ambassadors here in the Philippines. And because of this, I go to the barter events here in Pangasinan to experience and have ideas and learn. Last June 17, 2024, I'm proud to say that I conducted and planned the 5th barter events in Pangasinan, and we had a successful GCB campaign barter event attended by 43 pioneers who came from different places in Region 1. And it was posted in the social media like Facebook and in Twitter, got 28,000 views. And hopefully it will happen again and there will be more barter in the Philippines. As a GCB ambassador, what I can contribute to the GCB community is the full support of all barterings here in my area and nearby area. I'm also a merchant of different items accepting 50% cash and 50% by payment, and because of that, I already created 700 plus transaction data. I can also teach and discuss the content of the guidebook by Ms. Doris Yin so they can understand it better and support the global consensus value 314159 US dollar. Thank you very much for listening and mabuhay. Once again, my name is Ron Galicia Aquino, Municipal GCB Ambassador for San Carlos City, Pangasinan, Region 1, Philippines.
Good day to everyone. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our guest speakers, especially Mr. Sien, our Grand Global GCB Ambassador. I also want to extend a special greeting to Ms. Lumari, the most hardworking, smart, and intelligent mentor, as well as to all the GCB ambassadors in the Philippines. Your dedication and efforts have been instrumental in advancing our mission, and it is an honor to be part of this incredible journey with you. Additionally, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all our respected special guests. Your presence here today is a testament to the growing importance and impact of our movement. I am Dr. M.D. Adona, a medical doctor and an advocate for the GCB campaign. Since August 2023, I have been accepting Pi payments and have contributed more than 40,000 GCB data entries. This experience has been both rewarding and enlightening, allowing me to to witness firsthand the transformative power of integrating Pi into our daily transactions. Our theme for this conference, cultivating sustainable growth, building real ecosystems, is not only timely but also crucial for the future of our movement. As pioneers and merchants, we have the responsibility to share Pi with all merchants because these merchants are essential to creating a real business ecosystem. Our efforts in expanding the use of Pi are vital in establishing a robust and sustainable economic framework. As an ambassador, I am committed to spreading Pi to all my colleagues and merchants. The potential of Pi lies in its widespread adoption and the active participation of diverse business. By introducing Pi to various merchants, we pave the way for a more integrated and resilient ecosystem. This initiative is not just about choosing a new form of payment. It's about fostering a community of trust, innovation, and mutual support. Ms. Lobar's ambitious goal is to bring in 5,000 to 10,000 GCV merchants. If we achieve this, we will have a very solid ecosystem. This target is not just a number. It represents a collective effort to revolutionize how we perceive and engage in commerce. A thriving ecosystem with a significant number of merchants will ensure that Pi is not just a novelty but a viable and sustainable economic tool. I invite everyone to really share Pi with all our favorite stores, salons, restaurants, coffee shops, and more. Every transaction, every introduction of Pi to a new merchant is a step towards realizing our vision. In this way, each one of us will truly be a part of building a strong and solid ecosystem. Imagine a community where every local businesses you love accepts Pi. From your morning coffee to your evening dinner, Pi can become a seamless part of your daily life. This is not just a dream. It is a reachable reality with our collective effort and dedication. In conclusion, let us work together to cultivate sustainable growth and build real ecosystems. Each of us has a role to play, and together we can achieve remarkable things. Thank you for your commitment, your enthusiasm, and your belief in the potential of Pi. Let's make this vision a reality. Best regards.
Good day, everyone, and all pioneers around the globe worldwide. Building a real ecosystem for a cryptocurrency is a complex and challenging undertaking. However, it is essential for long-term success. It means creating a network of interconnected applications, services, and businesses that use the cryptocurrency as a core part of their operations, not only having a token or coins that can be traded on exchanges. The foundation must be a real-world ecosystem application. It ensures that the cryptocurrency is a purpose and use cases of people's daily life. It needs to be used for practical purposes such as first, payment. People should be able to use the token, the coins, or the cryptocurrency to buy goods and services. Second, DeFi, or we call decentralized finance. The cryptocurrency could be used for lending, borrowing, and other financial services. Entertainment, the third one is entertainment and game. Platform could integrate the token or cryptocurrency for engaged purchases or reward. Fourth, social media and content creation. Platform could use the coins or cryptocurrency for feeding, micropayments, or content monetization. Behind those four pillars of building the real ecosystem, we need much marketing around the globe and now all support GCV 314159 US dollar per 5. Headed by Miss Doris Yen and our very own Miss Lumari, we did march the path and lead the way of the GCV prize. Apparently, the time is far spent. There is a less than 5 months remaining before the MENA finally open. The challenge is what we gonna do. We must continue to support the GCV at all costs. We gotta educate the people around us, connect to the merchants and business owners, and bartering will continue, rain or shine. Finally, let us keep the flame burning. Thank you and God be with us always. Our thanks Kayaban, Alicia Isabella, Region 2.
Let's give a round of applause to our co-host, Sir Jerwin Figueroa. Your dedication and support behind the scenes has been vital in making this event happen. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and valued members of our community. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are in the world. It's truly a pleasure to gather here today, united by our shared vision and commitment to fostering collaboration across borders. As we begin, we would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to our special guests and GCV Core Ambassadors. First, we honored to have Teacher Miss Doris Yen joining us from Canada. Your dedication to education and community is an inspiration to us all. Next, I would like to warmly welcome Sir Yangtze from China. We are also privileged to have Sir Oliver Indatimada from Africa. Moving on, let's extend our greetings to Sir Mayas Ali from Arab region. Next, we have pleased to acknowledge Ms. Noni Padja from Indonesia. Additionally, we have Sir George Zhao joining us from China. We are also grateful to have Sir Jason Wong from Malaysia. And lastly, let's give a warm welcome to Sir Patrick Chua from Malaysia. And of course, I can't forget the acknowledgement of our very own global ambassador, Ms. Lumari, who has graciously taken on a role of host for this gathering. Your leadership and enthusiasm inspire us all. And we are gathered for your effort in bringing us together. Let us embark on an enriching dialogue and collaboration that transcends borders and brings forth lasting impact. Thank you, and let's enjoy this wonderful event together. My name is Anthony Niera. I am proud to represent Pulumulok, South Cotabato, Region 12. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, and I currently manage my own computer shop business named EasyFix Computer Repair Services, where I work as a computer technician. Since the beginning of 2021, I have been involved in the incredible journey of the Pi Network. I began mining Bitcoin early in the first quarter of that year. And today, I stand before you as an ecological merchant ambassador and a leader of Pi Network in Pulumulok, Region 12 of the Philippines. This initiative has empowered me and many other of our community to explore new opportunities through digital currency. One of the most exciting aspects of this journey has been the ability to engage the bartering across various regions using a global consensus value 314159 US dollar. We have successfully implemented bartering in Pulumulok, South Cotabato, Coronadal City, General Santos City, and even Clan Sarangani Province by selling, buying products and services as we generate 1,000 transactions using GCV. In my computer shop,
I've embraced this new way of transacting by accepting Bitcoin as a payment for services I provide. I had hundreds of transactions using GCB since we started on March 2024. It's been a rewarding experience, not only supports my business, but also fosters the growth of this digital economy. Additionally, I have taken on the responsibility of organizing barangay level ambassadors, especially in my own barangay, which I am staying. Also inviting constituents from other barangays to learn more about Pi Network and its vast potential. Through effective information dissemination and active community engagement, we aim to foster cultural and financial empowerment and inclusivity where every resident can participate in the digital economy. As part of this initiative, I am also reaching out local merchants and encouraging them to accept Pi as a form of payment for their products and services by using the global consensus value as a benchmark. We are opening doors for merchants to be part of this innovative currency. This not only enhances the purchasing power of residents who are engaged with the Pi Network, but also help merchants tap into the growing market of consumers eager to embrace digital currency. And have a big plan to my country, Philippines, to share Pi apps to all merchants. I started with the island of Mindanao and to Visayas and to Luzon areas. And we from Region 12 pioneers are planning to have a cross-border import from China. We are waiting for the update of the partial payment, and soon all ambassadors will put a mold on this island stated. Together, we are paving the way for the brighter future where everyone can benefit from the opportunities presented by digital currencies. Thank you for your time, and let's continue the exciting journey together. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Sir Jerwin. A pleasant greetings to everyone. I would like to extend my deepest respect and admiration to our beloved GCB founder, Ma'am Dorishin, CPA, whose vision has guided us on. To our brave and clever global GCB ambassador and founder of GCB Campaign Philippines, Ma'am Lomari. Thank you for your leadership. I also want to recognize our guest speakers from across the globe and my fellow Filipino ambassadors. Good evening, good morning to all. As a real estate agent, my journey with Pi Network began during the pandemic when one of my agents introduced it to me. Although I was initially skeptical, I decided to keep mining because it was free. Today, I have no regrets. I am grateful for the decision I made. As an appointed ambassadors and merchant coordinator, I am excited about my advocacy to educate more merchants and miners who are eager to embrace the evolution of digital payments in goods and services. We are witnessing a significant shift towards decentralization, and it's our duty to guide others in this transition. Through house-to-house visits with merchants and our bartering events, we have been able to spread the message of GCB. I want to acknowledge the incredible team I work with. Muntinlupa City Ambassador, Ms. Jennifer Botolan, our energetic photographer and videographer, Ms. Amor Gahellumo, Omar, the spirited ambassador of Pasay City, and Emelinda Fernandez, the unstoppable ambassador of Quezon City. I would like also to highlight Mr. Franklin Novicio, the man with the golden heart in Mandaluyong City. Professor Leonardo, the Vice Professor of Taguig. And Miss Kat Ignacio, our young and enthusiastic ambassador of Pasig City. Special thanks to Sir George Torsar, our supportive vanguard of GCB Philippines. Together, we are living in testimonies of how embracing digital payments can transform our lives. We are also committed to eradicating the black market and any unauthorized exchanges that undermine the integrity of our payment systems. This is a challenging task, but it is crucial for ensuring the security and legitimacy of our transactions. I have faced skepticism from my family and some co-miners, but I remain calm and steadfast. They are only a few compared to the millions of miners who are hopeful and eager to learn. It is our responsibility to educate and motivate them, helping them to participate in this remarkable endeavor so that GCB can prevail around the globe. To all GCB ambassadors worldwide, let us persevere with enthusiasm. Together, under the guidance of our founder, Ma'am Dorician, CPA, and our global GCB ambassador, Ma'am Romary, we can realize the vision of a new era and buy payments through the GCB price of $314,159. With God Almighty blessings, I believe we will soon harvest the fruits of our labor. Together, we can shape the future of the bike powered by the GCB price 314159. Thank you and mabuhay.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow residents of the Sarangani province, I stand before you today as Mecha Yasim, your proud ambassador. Our beautiful home, Glan, is the coastal gem nestled in the heart of the Sarangani. Allow me to share a few words about this remarkable place. Glan, where the beauty meets heritage. Glan is the official known as the municipality of Glan, boasts the pristine white sand beaches, colonial era house, and the rich cultural heritage. As of 2020 census, the population stands at 109,547 resilient souls who call this place home. Glan lies at the east of Sarangani Bay, west of Davao Occidental, and north of the Celebes Sea. It's a town that embraces both tradition and progress. The economic vibrancy. The economy thrives on agriculture with copra production leading the way. Agricultural, particularly milkfish and shrimp farming, contributes significantly to their livelihoods. The heritage and preservation. Glan is more just in the natural beauty. Its heritage town, cultural and conservationists recognize our well-preserved ancestral house and heritages structures. The Heritage Conservation Society has even suggested that Glan architectural gems akin to their efforts in vegan. A call of the unity. As we continue our journey, let us remember that unity and collaboration are our greatest assets. Together, we can transform our community into the thriving hub, a lavish hotel that creates jobs and prosperity for our locals. And yes, our initial focus was on the Pi network, but our vision extends far and beyond. We are not selfish, we're forward thinking, and we believe in the power of collective effort. Thank you, Clan, for being our canvas of truth. Let us build the bridges, celebrate our heritage, and create the legacy that resonates through the ages, the Pine Network. Good evening, that is the messages or speech of Mrs. Mitra Yasin, the GCB Ambassador of Sarangani Province and the Municipality of Clan.
To all our esteemed global leaders, especially Ms. Doris Yen, who has consistently provided invaluable support and guidance, and to Ms. Lumari, our respected global GCB leader in the Philippines. I extend my heartfelt greetings, good evening, good morning, and good day to everyone. I am Marivic Ferma Temblador, GCB Ambassador of Region 4A, Province of Cavite, Philippines. Today, I stand before you as someone who, like many of you, embarked on this journey with Pi Network 2 years ago. At that time, I deeply believed in the vision of Pi that it could empower individuals and transform lives by offering financial freedom to everyone dedicated to mining. This belief fueled my commitment to Pi community and continues to drive my passion today. But as we all know, no journey is walk alone. I have been incredibly fortunate to have the guidance of two remarkable leaders, Ms. Doris Yen and Ms. Lumari. Their unwavering dedication to the growth of Pi Network has been nothing short of inspiring. In particular, I want to highlight the mentorship of Ms. Lumari. Her leadership has been a beacon of hope and inspiration for many of us here in the Philippines. Beyond, she's not just a leader, she is a mentor who had taken the time to nurture, guide, and empower those around her. Under her mentorship, I have grown not only as a GCV ambassador, but as a person committed to the success of our global Pi community. This has been evident in the way she had supported the growth of Pi bartering here in the Philippines. One of the impactful initiatives that we undertaken has been the Pi bartering events, which began on March 23, 2024. These events were born out of a simple yet profound idea that by facilitating the exchange of goods and services with our community, we could build a stronger and more resilient ecological ecosystem. Today, my team and I have a successful organized 13 Pi bartering events in our regions. Each event has brought us closer to our goal of creating a thriving marketplace where pioneers can trade goods on fair prices by passing traditional market structure. But our work does not stop there. We are continuously inviting more merchants to join our cause by encouraging them to accept 50% Pi payment and 50% fiat, or even a greater percentage of Pi. We're not just supporting our pioneers, we're also helping merchants sustain their businesses. This model allows them to maintain their capital and investment while participating in the barter economy, which offers good prices that are often more competitive than those in conventional markets. This is the essence of our ecological ecosystem, a community where everyone contributes and benefits by bartering. We help pioneers save money, making essential goods and accessible and affordable.
This in turn strengthens our network, making it more robust and self-sustaining. As we move forward, it is imperative that we continue to work together with unity and determination. Our collective efforts are what will ultimately lead us to success. Each of us has a role to play in this grand vision, and by supporting one another, we can create a future where financial empowerment is not just a dream but a reality for all. So let us join hands as one united community to ensure that the Pi Network reaches its full potential. Together, we can achieve success, not just ourselves, but for future generation of pioneers who will carry the torch forward. Thank you all, our commitment, your passion, and your unwavering belief in the power of Pi. May God bless us all and guide us in this incredible journey. Once again, I'm Marvic Fermat Temblador, GCB Ambassador of Region 4A Province of Cavite, Philippines. Mabuhay! Thank you, everyone.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon. Una po, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Ma'am Doris at kay Ma'am Lumari na todo suporta po sa ating lahat, sa ating Pi Network para po sa kapakanan po ng mga tao sa buong mundo. Muli po, ako po si Mr. Jonald Tugadi, ambassador po ng Barangay San Jose, Montalban. Na ito nga po, mababa man ang aking natapos na pinag-aralan, pero punong-puno naman po ako ng pangarap. Lalo na po nung mamit ko ang Pi Network mula nung 2019 na nag-start po akong nag-mining, ay napuno po, nagsimula po akong mangarap ng aking pong mga pangarap ay ang ilan po ay aking ilalahad sa gabing ito. Yun nga po, ang isa ko pong pinangarap ay makatulong po sa napakaraming taong naghihirap. Yayamang may promises po na ang Pi ay talagang ginawang unique at kasalukuyan na binobroadcast po sa buong mundo, na talaga namang napapatunayan naman na po natin na as in pang future po. Kaya ang akin pong naipapromise, yayamang ginawa akong ambassador dito sa aming barangay ni Ma'am Lumari. Salamat po sa kanyang pagtitiwala. Ay gagawin ko po ang aking makakaya na ipalaganap po dito sa nasasakupan ko pong barangay, o humigit pa, kasi po ang mga naging invite ko na po ay kumakalat na rin po. Meron na po sa province, Mindoro. Malayo-layo na rin po yung mga nararating, kumbaga. At ang maganda po, napakarami pong kaming na magme-merchant po dito sa aming barangay. At sa totoo lang po, pag oras po na mag-open minute, talaga pong napakarami pong mga migrated po dito sa aking nasasakupang barangay. Yun lamang pong pamilya ko po, kami lahat ay migrated na po. At hindi po, yun nga po, marami pa pong iba. Kaya talagang sasabog po ang Pi na hindi kayang itago. Kumbaga, oras na mag-open minute po, talagang napakarami pong tao na uunlad dito sa aming lugar. At ang mga next ko pa po na mga plano ay magpa-franchise po ako ng mga business, halimbawa Jollibee, McDo, etc. At magbi-business pa po ako ng buy and sell para po marami pa po akong mga taong mabigyan ng trabaho. At yun lamang po muna ang aking masasabi po. Muli po, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Good morning, magandang hapon. Mr. Jonald Tugadi po, Ambassador of Barangay San Jose, Montalban, Rizal. Salamat po.
Good morning, good afternoon. I am Esperanza Samson, JCB Ambassador of San Isidro, Cainta, Region 4A. I started mining in 2021 and I immediately went through KYC. When my PI was migrated, I started accepting PI payments. I had a transaction. My first transaction was 25 kilos of rice and milk for her child, then groceries, and also an electricity bill. My GCB was only 314, back then 17K. And then I started participating in all events, bringing my goods to SNAP. That's how I become known as a merchant, and the transaction was GCB 314159 PI payment. Then also put up a tarpaulin in my store saying Esperanza's Delicacies. Accept 70% cash, 30% by payment. And then I met Ma'am Lumari. She also accepts by payments with GCB as well. We had a transaction with Ma'am Lumari using PI until she started setting up bartering in different places. On August 4, I became a Sugod merchant under the coordination of Merchant Ambassador Ma'am Lerma Peterio Raplan, Ambassador Ma'am Emnor, Ambassador Ma'am Jennifer. Proud Merchant Philippines. Thank you. God bless everyone.
I would like to greet our 5 global leaders for attending to our national conference. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all of you, sirs and ma'ams. Hoping and wishing that everybody are all safe and always healthy. I would like to extend my gratitude to our overall Global GCB Chairman, Ma'am Doris Yan, for spending times with us in spite of her busy schedule. To all the global leaders who are supporting and continuously pushing the support of the GCB 314159, and of course, one of the GCB Global Core leader and a very dedicated, very supportive, and beautiful and only queen, Ma'am Lumari. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you for your being always there for us and always spends times for us for the sake of our united goal. For not only for ourselves but most especially for the benefits of every individual who believes in Pi Token. Before I go further, I just want to introduce myself, Mr. Evaristo Tata Jr., the Regional Ambassador of Batangas, a province in the Philippines. Through the collective efforts, sacrifice, camaraderie, and growing more stronger and united group of Pi ambassadors here. Our community here is getting more wider. Here in our province Batangas, in the very first day of bartering, and it was last March 2024 till this moment, our community has already initiated the Pi ecosystem.
Tired eyes, but a burning soul.
The community here is getting more wider here in our province in Batangas. In the very first day of our bartering, it was last March 2024. Till this moment, has already initiated Pi community. This is through the service provided by our co-pioneers through the service of stem cell therapy. Her services help so many individuals to cure their health problems. Also, 50% fiat and 50% Pi payment is also offered and accepted on the full body carb painting. The services that I mentioned are always available and accepted, even if it is a home service. Our community here is slowly adapting and acknowledging the Pi token as a form of currency, and of course, like the other countries. The other countries and communities all over the world. Introducing the Pi token to an individual or a merchant is not always successful or easy for them to adapt it instantly. As we are slowly adapting and using the Pi token as a form of currency, we are slowly introducing the Pi tokens to every individuals, merchants, and other business establishments by encouraging and providing them all the available information we have regarding the Pi network. We are opening all the available options to encourage all the individuals and merchants, regardless of their status in life, to accept and use the Pi token in any available transactions and services it may serve. We always tell to everyone that earning the token is not hard to earn because it's a free application, free to earn, no money is involved, and most especially the possibility of the price of every token when open-minded comes the 314,159 USD per 1 Pi, providing all the evidences through the bartering that has been made and many more to be made, rendering services. Paying bills with actual transaction has been a big factor to us, encouraging the individual family member and owner establishment that Pi token is truly exists, has already been widely used, just like currency. As long we educate them and provide them all the evidences that token is already available and currently being used some parts of the area and other parts of the world. I believe that gaining the goal to spread in every corner of the world is not that hard to achieve, especially after the open-minded. Thanks to the guidebook that has been provided by us by Ma'am Lou Marie and Ma'am Doris Yen. The said guidebook is what we are using and serve as a guide for us to educate our community, I believe, to our Pi mission and vision. Of course, we do not allow on buying and selling Pi tokens. Instead, we encourage them to use tokens to buy goods and services that are available in the area, especially when we are conducting bartering events. Using Pi tokens should be available and must be used by every individual or merchants regardless of their status in life, and must be used wherever you are in the world. We, together with our fellow pioneers here in Batangas, will continually spread the Pi token news, mission, vision, and its benefits through our family members, friends, social media platforms, so that everybody will know about the Pi token and its use. The commitment has already been initiated and will continue continuously implement to all, even if after the pie open-minded. Before I will end my speech, I also want to extend my gratitude to all the listeners, whatever place you may be now, hoping and wishing that everybody are all safe and healthy. Thank you so much for everyone giving me the opportunity to be a part of this great conference. A blessed evening to us, to all Filipino pioneers and ambassador. Good evening.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I am Edilberto Silis, a pioneer from Barangay Coronel Proper, from Locson, Cotabato, Region 12, farmer, perennial, community organizer, and finally crypto enthusiast. Before I proceed, I want to express my warmest welcome to our official guests from different countries, to Ma'am Doris Yen of Canada, our grand GCB founder, Sir Maya Sali of Arab Region, Sir Oliver Timada of Africa, Ma'am Noni Padilla of Indonesia, Sir George Zhao of China, Sir Yang Chi of China, Sir Jason Wong of Malaysia, Sir Patrick Chua of Malaysia, and to our very own GCB founder, Ma'am Lomari of Philippines, and to my co-ambassador to States tonight. I started my new pilot group since last August 2020 up to now. Since before I have many knowledge or idea what I will go. So I do my own research using Pure and DIY. By the help of social media, I gathered more informative data about GCB campaign. Later this last March, I met Sir Anthony Mira through social media. He is one of GCB ambassador in Region 12. Later on, I participate a series of partying conducted here in Pulumlok by using GCB of 314159 being products with 50% pie and 50% cash. I continue participating bartering to the municipality of Pulumlok, municipality of Lan, Sarangani Province. As a barangay leader start bartering, I helped to post the GCB 314159 as a mode of payment of 50% pie and 50% cash. We are conducting bartering in Barangay Magsaysay, Barangay Coronel Proper, and neighboring barangay in municipality of Pulumlok. When I become an ambassador, I do my own initiative to share this GCB 314159. For now, we conducted massive operation to inform more product and services establishments to become a merchant later on. Region 12, led by Ambassador Sir Jerwin Figueroa and Sir Anthony Mira, to plan have a proposition to make business soon that we can use our coins as a mode of payment using GCB 312159. I hope soon this GCB campaign will be successfully achieved. I am 100% supporting GCB 31459. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity to have this conference. Mabuhay Filipino pioneers. Again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Thank you.
Hello and welcome aboard to the Pine Network community. It is great to be with you all of this time of the international conference under the GCB campaign. As we all know, we're still on the process to press on to the open-minded. We're over the moon through this international conference in which many exclusive insights, tips, and more contents that could help to the Pine Network community under the global consensus value and ecosystem merchandise. A pleasant time to every one of us at this very moment. I am Eulalia Solomon Kasongsong, GCB Ambassador from Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Graduated from the Employment Apprenticeship Research Network of Advanced Technology. With the background of a programmer, encoder, and sales marketing, presently I am working in Israel as the caregiver. I am so grateful to be part of the pioneers of Pine Network, founder by Dr. Nicholas, and thankfully to my mentor in Cryptus who shared this pie to me, Sir Marlon Dumantay, GCB Ambassador in Region 1. I am one of his downline leader and enjoying working on this Pine Network and how I could help in the community based on the requirements of the founder with the core team for the open-minded. As from the Pine Phase 1 of our GCB campaign, by the grace of God, it operates my willingness to contribute to the barter campaign in Region 1, especially to the Dagupan City, together with the nearby cities, also places in Manila, Cavite, including the place of the Grand Barter Campaign and the Region 2 Barter Campaign by the courage of those ambassadors. Not only for the barter campaign, but only to educate the pioneers to the new buys, to the enlightened, to the vision and the purpose of the Pine Network throughout the Pine Phase 1 of the GCB Barter Campaign.
Hear our song, with GCB we all belong. Tired eyes but a burning soul.
I am waiting for the feedback of the other merchandise in Dagupan City, approaching them to receive pie payment with 70% cash and 30% pie payment with the agreement that they can use my address wallet for the payment of 30% for the pie while they are waiting for the KYC, and to migrate as well the registration as the new merchandise under the GCB 314159 for the increase of the ecosystem. And while waiting for their feedback, I'm working out for you, Ma'am Yulin Rice, as my merchandise counting for the ecosystem that could be available by September. As we all can see that our long awaiting for the open-minded is getting closer to the end of 2024, but we can't just sit and relax to wait on it, because we must have to see and understand we need to function. Our function is to involve reaching the open-minded. We all need spontaneously to be consistent in our tasks based on 100 merchandise for each ambassador to work out for the building up of the ecosystem under the GCB to the fulfillment of the vision of the Pine Network for the benefit of the humanity to have the new beginning of livelihood. As an overseas Filipino worker, I am glad to coordinate in every possibilities for the progress of the Pi Network community in the Philippines to globally according to the vision of Dr. Nicholas. The spirit of the warriors resides within as a pioneers. We are at a place in life where peace is priority and negativity cannot exist. I would like to extend my warmth and acknowledgement to our GCB Global Ambassador, Ma'am Doris Yen, who boldly stand to find and gather the global ambassadors. Without her courage to educate globally, we would not be here in this international conference to unite together in the GCB. Congratulations to every one of us and to our beautiful, talented head from the Philippines, no other than Ma'am Lumari Pai. Thank you for reinforce our values and commitment to this outstanding digital quality for our global customers later on through the connections of the global ambassadors. I salute you all, and last but not the least, we extend having photogenic memories. Is so rare to build the network with their passion to humanity, extending favors to all of us. A blast of cheers for one for all. May we all live according to God's purpose of our existence. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the speech of Miss or Ma'am Laling Kasongsong of the Region 1. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow Pi Networks enthusiasts, I stand before you. My name is Jerwin Figueroa, the proud ambassador of the Region 12, and now the National Ambassador for Education. The journey that led me to the Pi Network was a serendipitous, a discovery gifted to me by my dear auntie in Manila. Like many of you, I reminisce about the early days of Bitcoin, a digital revolution that captured our imagination and transformed the financial landscape. Now, Pi Network beckons a decentralized currency with no room for missed opportunity. Today, I pledge my unwavering support the GCV campaign of the 314159. Our community in the Saxargan region, nestled amidst lush landscape and vibrant cultures, stands united. Together, we embrace the vision of the Pi Network, the GCV campaign, the 314159 for 1 Pi, its promise echoing across the digital expanse. On March 10, 2024 was the historic event, the first meet and greet, and after we need a direction to where Pi Network can bring us the community, and we are lucky that Ma'am Lumari Pai has reached to us about the group, and that's why we eagerly support the GCV campaigns of the 314159 in all of our major events. Until this day, we become solid of our community, exchange of knowledge, build long-term relationship in each town, municipalities, and cities. Our vision and missions will always for the good of the Pi miners in our area. The Pulumulok South Cotabato, led by Mr. Anthony Niera, now he's the Ecological Merchant Ambassador, has started the barangay level. Every Monday there is an event in the barangay. Successfully done the event in some of the barangay here in Pulumulok and Coronadal. The event comprised of introductions of Pi Network, trade, barter, education, which has increased pioneers miners, capturing new merchant was a great achievement and continuously strive for perfection in order the event come into memorable, livable, and engagement so that their knowledge about the Pi Network will stay in their hearts. We expanded our adapted regions, the BARM, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region for Muslim Mindanao, but soon we will visit their area for Pi Network event. On my personal advocacy, my plan is to build the empire for hotels and resorts that creates jobs, allow other Pi miners to join my corporation together to grow and prosper, educate and assist Pi miners by directing them to the right investment for sustainability and wealth management for them to enjoy the freedom. We will continuously explore areas in Mindanao for we know there are many Pi miners has no directions for what we campaign for the 314159 and establish strong footprint of inviting new merchants under nearby areas. To our esteemed guests, we know that our connections results reliable source, exchange of goods and overseas transactions that both parties will benefit. Importations is a great impact in contribution of the economy. Likewise, we are willing as well to export our products so both countries will have the opportunity to enjoy the products itself. I know that among the Pi miners has a great vision and see the big opportunity in public-private partnership in retail, energy, infrastructure, airports, aviation, and hotel industry as we both partake of our goods. That our great advantage is our Pi coins for capital and investment. As we forge ahead, let us remember the magic of discovery, the thrill of uncharted territories, and the potential that lies within our collective efforts propel us towards the global currency value, the 314159 USD, an ambitious goal, but we pursue with determination and camaraderie. May the Pi Network thrive and may our region's spirit infuse it with resilience, innovation, and wavering belief. Thank you, and let us chart course together. Good evening to everyone. Thank you for all the efforts and time to the Philippine ambassadors.